So why pick a rain screen? First of all, aesthetics. You're not at the mercy of your substrate anymore. You can pretty much create all these unique shapes and profiles to the building or get a perfectly plain wall where there was none. And you can pick a lot of unique shapes and graphics and things like that that you can't necessarily do with a direct applied system. You mitigate the risk of harmful condensation and humidity, improve energy and thermal efficiency, provide drainage and drying, and extend the life of the facade. You mitigate the risk of wall assembly failures. These are all functions of that air gap. The number one way that buildings are attacked is water intrusion. It either corrodes out things like wall ties, it could expand and crack whatever masonry you've got going on back there. It could just hang out and grow new species behind your cladding and in the gap, which impacts things like indoor air quality. The number one way that buildings fail is usually going to be a function of either insidious condensate moving back and forth or just bulk water penetration getting into a leak and causing damage over time. Your control layers are protected from UV with a rain screen. There are some systems where if you expose, or some air and moisture barriers where if you expose them to UV, they become pretty much useless. And some rain screens can be panelized. Because we're already riding on subconstruction, it just lends itself really well to prefab.